In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the free Photopea to make your own mockup. So this will be based on the PSD file. You can either use the Photopea or Photoshop, but the Photopea is free. So the first thing is to open from computer. So you can purchase the PSD mockup template from online, Etsy, or somewhere, and then you save in your computer and open from computer. Now I open a PSD mockup template. So I made this template myself. And on the right side, you can see um, this two are the smart object. And I specify place your design here. So this is the first tumbler, and then the one layer up is the second tumbler. So you click the smart object, and this is just a pattern for demo purpose. So you can click this eye and hide it, and then you can drag your pattern to the smart object. Now I dragged my pattern here, and then I can resize it and then fit pattern whatever the way I want it. And after that, you go to File, Save Smart Object. And then you click the original mockup, and you see your pattern is on the tumbler. So you do the same thing for your second tumbler. So click the Smart Object, and then put the pattern here. Okay, again, I dragged my pattern here on the smart object and I resize it. And I go to File, Save Smart Object, and click Original Mockup tab. Now you have the two tumblers with mockup of your pattern. And then you go to File, Export as, PNG, JPEG is your preference. And that's it. It's very easy. Okay, I hope you like my video. I put my product link below this video if you're interested. Thank you for watching this video.